How to assemble a Gold East DK-5230 black drum unit. Number 1. A frame. Number 2. A blade. Our frames are made from our own molds. Number 3. Fasten the blade to the frame by 2 gears. Number 4. Put 2 spring sets at 2 ends beside the blade, respectively. Number 5. A primary charge runner, PCR. Number 6. An OPC drum. Take it gently and carefully and position it correctly. In order to protect OPC, the black paper is necessary, and our operator is wearing gloves. Take out the black paper from the OPC. Number 7. Put 1 spring at one end of OPC. Number 8. Insert a steel stick into OPC. Number 9. Add a black part on the stick. Then make sure they match inside the drum unit. Number 10. Put a gray part at one end of the drum unit. Number 11. Add a spring beside the gray part. Number 12. Check whether drum unit assembles well. As we can see, every step takes time and needs experience. Well done. The above one is packed DK-5230 drum unit. Thanks for watching.